service, buddy. Here we are.
On that weapon! Now! Get on that weapon!
You are new to the island, I think, my friend. It would be a scandal of great tragedy if you turned out to be a spy. Have you heard of Kampung Bahari, Sedadu? It is a most sacred village to us Ulars, as it is the final resting place of one of our most honored ancestors. Many young Ulars travel to Kampung Bahari to visit the shrine there, as I myself have done many times. Unfortunately, our vile devil of a president has no respect for the ancient history of this land, and has barricaded the village in preparation for demolition. He most likely wants to litter the land with yet another casino or resort. This cannot happen, Scorpio. You must help us reclaim what is rightfully ours. Let my men take you there.
Okay, brother. Help us get to the far side of the village, where I will hack into the enemy communications and send out a broadcast to stand down. You must keep me alive, Scorpio!
Enemy located.
Curses! The entrance is heavily guarded! Scorpio, take care of the guards!
Intruder alert! Attention, everyone!
The entrance is secure! Regroup Ulars! Now we take the rest of the village! Cleanse this sacred place from the stench of the government worms!
I see the target! I've been down!
Secure the temple! No mercy! Snipers! Deal with them fast, Scorpio!
Crap, I can't get a shot!
We have reclaimed this holy temple! The ancestors will be pleased! enemies will fall! Damn it! Another mounted gun by the shrine! Deal with it, Scorpio! Ha! They cannot stop us!
We need air backup immediately! Response! Reinforcements are incoming! Stand fast!
Now, we'll have some fun.
Okay, this is it. Defend this position while I hack into their communications. Keep me protected, Scorpio. They send in reinforcements! Defend this position! Try to keep them away! Scorpio, you better take care of that helicopter! Hold on, I am nearly finished! There! Broadcast is out! The village is ours!
Most excellent, Serdadu. Even though you are not of Ular blood, I believe you have the blessings of our ancestors. Requesting backup. That case you just found, Scorpion. It comes from a cargo plane of ours that was recently shot down. These precious cases are spread out all over Panau. Find them for us, will you?
Again, the ultra-nationalist terrorist group, the Ular Boys, claim responsibility for a heinous act of violence. The small and innocent village of Kampung Bahari was attacked today by the tribal group, and everyone standing in their way of outlandish cries for justice and revenge were swiftly cut down with traditional mandaus, leaving the corpses to litter the village square.
Okay, Rico, keep on keeping on. Make those faction maniacs think their whole island operation is going straight down the old porcelain tunnel. Hell, if that doesn't bring out the puppet masters behind the puppets, why then, we've lost our touch.
Hey, Scorpio! Get in the car!
We have a visual. Requesting backup.
Move out! Move out! Right here!
Call him later.